Dear friends, today morning we have seen how to prepare MCQs, the stem and the options. Now, how can we make our own MCQs in our own subject? Here we are talking about how to design this MCQ. For example, preparation of MCQ is challenging and time consuming. It needs a lot of care in framing the stem and the alternatives. It is advised to make a few MCQs regularly. This regular practice make you perfect to make. Why? Because as soon as you finish the lesson, then your mind will be fresh and you can put relevant questions and the outcomes that we required from the student. So make backwards design. This is very helpful. Based upon the learning outcomes, you can design the questions. The question should be framed in the same terminology with which it is used in the lecture. Avoid using words like always, never, all, none. Students may outright dismiss the option as few things are universally true or false. May I ask such questions here? See the question. The freely suspended bar magnet always points option A north, B south, C east, D west. Here lot many doubts. The magnet points means north pole of the magnet is pointing, yeah, south pole of the magnet is pointing. So this specified to make the question. This is not the way. And that one more, universally true. This is always the north pole of the bar magnet points towards the north of the geographic north of the earth. Then how can I frame the question? So here the terminology is very, very important. A magnetic needle which is free to swing horizontally would then lie in the magnetic equator, geographic meridian, magnetic meridian, geographic equator. The children also clear cut understand what we are asking, what he has to put a tick to choose the answer. What are the learning outcomes here? That is also more important for us. And next, ensure the alternatives don't overlap. This is one more point where we have to take care. That is, if one option is correct, then other option has to be correct. This makes, again, may ask such questions. For example, the susceptibility of diamagnetic substance is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, 2. Just think, it's clear the options are overlapping. Then how to frame the question? The susceptibility of superconductors are equal to. Here the explanation of the superconductors also mentioned here. Okay, exotic diamagnetic materials means perfectly diamagnetic material. Then the option 1, 0, minus 1, 2, the child can better opt the right answer. We emphasize on higher level thinking skills. PISA exam, our children are facing. CCT exams, they are giving regularly. A glass tube is attached to the bottom of a thin iron rod of length 1 meter. To what height must the glass tube be filled with mercury so that the center of mass of the pendulum formed will not rise or fall with change in temperature? There are 4 options. In my version of solving, first the students has to understand and visualize, and the pictorially they have to visualize that what we are asking. In his picture, the pendulum must not be made with the bob, and the concept of center of mass will be required. Concepts of expansion of mercury known, shift in the position of center of mass before and after of the expansion of the mercury. So there are many applications. So these are the few examples I have chosen to make you understand to design the MCQs. So now your turn to prepare at least one MCQ in the given time frame and send it. Thank you very much.